Alright, to begin, this is actually super simple, but basically it is how to make your own sound effects in Sony Vegas. Obviously there's a great deal of diversity and you can choose how you're going to make your own sound effects, but really all I want to show you is how simple it is to make your own sound effects for your movies, your projects, whatever you're doing. First off, to begin, let's click over here and add an audio track. Now this button right here, you click this and that's where it's going to save all your sound files. I'm going to say OK, and now this track is ready to record. If you add another, you can see that it's not moving. That means when you start recording, it will only record on this line right here. Now to begin, the simplest way to do this is just guess what kind of sound you want to make. Just be completely random, and that's what makes it a lot of fun. So here I'm going to record a sound and make it completely random. Okay, that sounded pretty weird. Yep. So you can see that was pretty weird sound. And all you have to do from there is add all kinds of different plugins here. The ones I like to mess around with the most are, let's see, pitch shift. That's one of the most important. Pitch shift, equalization. Let's mess with those first. Now, oops, I forgot to add them. My bad. Click add, equalization, add. Okay. So now we're going to change the shift, or excuse me, the pitch first. Click preserve duration, and we can go as low as we want. Let's try that. That sounds good already. You can have a lot of fun with that. If you want to increase the bass, make sure not to go too high. 5 is pretty good. You don't ever want to go past 10. It just doesn't really help. And if you want, you can go ahead and this last one, this is the funnest one to mess with. Resonant filter. And here are different presets. You can just choose a random one and listen to it, see how you like it. And who knows, you can take that sound and then mess with it some more and make it sound even better. Whatever you want. That probably sounds like an alien. That just gives you an idea of how to make it sound like there. If you want to do something else, this is kind of fun. If you want to try to make ambient noises, just record yourself humming or something. Yeah, that's pretty silly. But as you know, we can add pitch and the resonant filter. Preserve duration, let's go down, hey, let's go down to -12. Resonant filter, let's try low howl. Why not? Why not? That's kind of a fun sound. I bet you could use that in a movie. Let's try something else. Let's keep the resonant filter. Let's get rid of the preserve duration so that it can go even lower. Let's go -29. Why not? Set play. Let's change the resonant filter again. Let's go rumbly growl. And we can try mid howl. Why not? Oh wow, that's awesome! Look at a weird sound we discovered. Let's go like this. If you hold down left control, instead of clipping the end off, it compresses it, so it plays faster. Okay, let's listen to this. That's kind of a fun sound. Let's try one more. Okay. That sounds pretty silly. Let's go pitch shift and reverb. Just gonna add a little bit of reverb, pitch shift. We're gonna go way. Oh, I want to preserve duration. Way low, and I'm feeling this is gonna be super loud, so I'm gonna lower the sound. Hey, you could use that sound. Listen. That sounds almost like a gun. See that? You have your own gun sound, and you use your voice to make it. Get rid of the preserved duration, go lower, shorten it, let's listen to it. Cool. See? You can make your own sound effects. Sometimes the easiest thing to do is just the sound effect where you want it in your movie. Just start making it as you watch it. Like if you were watching a scene with a bunch of explosions, watch this. This is going to make me sound really funny. See, I use my own voice. If you right click on this, copy, right click on this, paste event attributes. Let's just see what that sounded like. Kind of fun. And you can mess with that all you want and just see, you know, what kind of sounds you can come up with. 'Cause you never know. Anyways, thanks for watching, and enjoy making your own sound effects.